Some few vacancies, some few vehicle sanitation workers. Actually, people who are in the street, you can see many of them. Sanitation workers. That's their vehicle. Okay, the flooring. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How you doing? Yeah, you're doing a great. You can to come and clean up the snow. That's great. So how do you feel about it?
Not that bad.
It's a challenge, not that bad. All right. All right.
It's going to be like 2 feet, so.
They say 30 inch, 2 feet. Okay, yeah.
It's about maybe 5.
Wow, it's up to 5. Yeah. All right, thank you, sir.
All right.
Keep up the good job. Okay. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, that's the city. People are walking, trying to find out what's going on, and this is what we got. Right here in the middle. Okay. We got here, ladies and gentlemen, security, the vehicles, sanitation workers are the only one clearing the city, and few vehicles actually. Okay, few vehicles making their way right here. Few vehicles, honestly. Morning, miss. How you doing? We got a reporters. Are you? Where are you heading to this morning?
To work.
To work. Oh, people are still going to work. Ladies and gentlemen, some people are still going to work here in New York City. It's starting in snow. New York is heat. Travel is store. Most of the few vehicles that you see traveling is basically sanitation workers cleaning up the snow right here in New York City. And this young lady here telling me that she's heading to work. That's interesting, right?
I've got right.
So where's your workplace? Where are you heading to? How do you get there? I mean, there's no transportation. How are you gonna do it?
Somebody's picking me up.
Somebody's picking you up, and where do you work at? Where's your workplace? Where's the location? How are you gonna do it?
The ride is picking me up. It was already here. I'm not sure where. Let me see.
Okay, all right. She's trying to figure it out. She's fiddling with her electronics. Ladies and gentlemen, in New York City, snow heat. It's 30 inch. Let's see some people still moving around. Still trying to get to work, those who want to go to work, but basically a lot of things are shut down this morning. Good morning, miss. Miss, are you heading to work? She's not talking. She's trying to get by. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, the transportation workers is what I see, mainly transportation workers. Transportation workers, okay. Okay, employees in their way, okay, to clear the city right here. This is amazing. People are just doing the best they can to get by. Alright. A few vehicles are making it this way. A few vehicles. Alright. A few vehicles are making their way through. So we'll see. All I say, there's a people who are cleaning up the snow. Ladies and gentlemen, reporters in New York City. All right. Starting in snow. All right. Starting in snow, ladies and gentlemen, Republic reporters touching you, reaching you here in New York City. People are trying to get in and clean up the snow, and it's amazing. Some are still trying to head to work. I see a lot of sanitation vehicles cleaning up the snow, and it's amazing. So, gentlemen, reporters reaching you here in New York City. We're trying to do as much as possible to get you this information as soon as possible. Covering live here in New York City. Reporters, ladies and gentlemen, New York City. Snow is 30 inch heat. Travel is stalled. There's no airplanes flying. Few vehicles circling the road. But basically, what we have is sanitation workers trying to reach. Okay, her ride is here. Okay, that's your vehicle. Okay, miss. Wish you best of luck. Have a good day. All right. Travel safely, all right? All right. Okay, just gentlemen, right here. A few vehicles. Right here. That's a vehicle. That's a vehicle right here. She's heading to work. Vehicle, she's heading to work like she said. It's freezing. See, car parked. All right, sir. Have a good day. Heading to work? Are you going to work? What are you doing? You're on camera, yeah. So you're heading to work? Are you going home? You done for the day? All right, thank you, sir. Buenos dias. All right. All right, buenos dias, buenos dias. Good morning. Thank you. All right. Morning. So are you heading to work? Are you going home? Where are you going?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I go home.
Okay, go home. Okay. All right, go home safely, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Still enjoying my body forest reaching here in New York City. That's all we can do right now. And so you can see the roads are empty and people are doing the best they can to get home or to get some few work. All right. All right, thank you, sir. Take care. Okay, guys, we are done with this and we are heading off home as well. Thank you. Bye-bye. The body forest in New York City.